Hello, welcome to Edubbey dynamic page. Today, let us look at multi-signature wallets, strengthening security and trust in cryptocurrency. 1. Introduction. Multi-signature wallets, often referred to as multi-sig wallets, are a type of cryptocurrency wallet that requires multiple private keys to authorize transactions. 2. How multi-signature wallets work. Multiple key holders. Multi-signature wallets involve assigning ownership and control of cryptocurrency funds to multiple key holders, each possessing a unique private key. Signature requirement. To authorize a transaction, a predefined number of signatures from the designated key holders are required, as specified by the wallet configuration. 3. Advantages of multi-signature wallets. Enhanced security. Multi-signature wallets offer robust protection against hacking, theft, and insider attacks, as multiple parties must authenticate transactions, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. Trustless transactions. Multi-signature wallets enable trustless transactions, as the involvement of multiple parties in the authorization process removes the need for trust in any single individual or entity. 4. Use cases for multi-signature wallets. Escrow services. Corporate governance. Cryptocurrency custody. Wallet recovery. 5. Considerations and challenges. Key management. Proper key management practices, including secure storage, backup, and access control, are essential for the effective use of multi-signature wallets and to prevent the risk of key loss or compromise. 6. Conclusion. Multi-signature wallets are a powerful tool for enhancing security, trust, and resilience in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. By requiring multiple signatures to authorize transactions, multi-sig wallets provide robust protection against unauthorized access and enable more secure and complex transaction workflows.